Mr. Somasundaram, Assistant Professor, Christu Jain College, Bangalore, and all the professors and my fellow students who sincerely committed to this event to make it success. On behalf of this institution, I often my regards and appreciation to all the ladies and gentlemen joining us today. Now we request the Honorable Chief Guest and to address the gathering and cast light at his knowledge upon us. His comments are quite essential for the students who want to be like on today.
Okay, very good afternoon to all. First of all, I like to thank the entire management, chairman, register, and then the head of the departments, as well as the faculty members and the students for giving this wonderful opportunity. And also thank the IEC of AEC also to collaborate with this department program and then providing this opportunity for giving us some insights to the students. Okay, fine. So, very good afternoon to all. So, before starting my session, just I want to share my screen. So, once again, I welcome you all. And before going to the session, just I want to introduce myself. Uh, Myself, Professor Somu Sundaram, working as assistant professor in Christianity College, Bangalore, and also the coordinator for Center for Soft Skill and Aptitude Training in our college. So I welcome all the students for this career advancement skills, which is very very important for the present generation. So when we are discussed with the head of the department and the faculty, okay, they told that something we need to provide some insights to the MBA students, okay, who really wants to go for a job and either they want to start a business. So if you see the topic entrepreneurship and innovation as a career opportunity, now you can think as a MBA, you can think that what my career, right? So what kind of a career will be there for me, or what kind of a job is waiting for me, right? So before moving on to that particular section session, you need to understand the basic things, right? So as a MBA, okay, since you are coming out with a tag called MBA, definitely there will be a lot of expectations from the corporate. Either you're from arts background, or whether you're from engineering background with MBA, or whether you're from the state level college or a central level college, whatever it is. But the corporate will expect a certain skills from the youngsters, that too from the MBA guys, right? So today I'm just want to cover, so as a MBA, what are the skills I need to have and how I want to project it so that I have a lot of opportunities to start my career, either to be an employee or to be a businessman, right? That is what the things that we are going to discuss today. So I hope everyone had a charge, right? Okay, everyone had a lunch and you're waiting for my session, right? Okay, so with this charge, we will just start our session. Okay, there are a different lanes that I want to show that. Okay, there are different lanes are there. So career opportunities are very very important things in our life. You may think that, sir, when I started my school, I thought that I want to become a doctor, I want to become an engineer, but according to the situation, according to the time frame, I cannot able to compete that, right? That is a question mark in most of the people's mind. And what kind of a career I can choose? Is there opportunity for me? You may hear a lot of news, right? During this pandemic there is no job opportunity, and most of the people's are quitting out their job, and the company is not ready to take the postgraduate student. And this is a recent news from Infosys. I don't know whether you heard this or not. Okay, you have seen the quotes given by Infosys Wipro in Hindi newspaper, I think almost 2 to 3 months back. They are told that year after they are going to hire the people, okay, like students who possess a creative and innovative skill. Education doesn't matter. Whether they are a graduate, whether they are undergraduate or a postgraduate, whatever it is, whether they are done only the schooling, but we need the candidates who comes out with creative and innovative skill. For those people's, their company's windows doors are open. This is what the statement given by Infosys and Wipro recently. Okay, after you, some people might hear this news, or some people have got this message in the WhatsApp. But after hearing that news, you may think that then what is our situation? After studying MBA, what is my situation? You may think in that aspect, but don't worry, you have a lot of opportunities. But the thing is, the way of applying your knowledge, skills, that makes a space for you to get the opportunity to reach your dream job. So today we are going to discuss about that. So what is the career advancement skill actually we require? You know, right? WHO, World Health Organization, right? They have given the 10 important skills for every students, either it's an undergraduate or a postgraduate. You need to understand that there are 10 important skills is very, very important. Life skills, right? So among that 10 life skills, we are going to discuss about the three important skills, which is very, very important to grab the opportunities for your dream job. So in that, I'm going to cover only the four important lane, right? Okay. So there are different lanes of your careers, right? Now you see the picture. What is happening in the picture? There is a car, right? This car was on the road and they hit the lane. Okay. The problem is you're not that person who is driving the car, not having the clarity. What is the directions that you need to travel, right? There are a lot of peoples, those are sitting here. You may have that thought in your mind. Sir, as of now, if you ask questions, what is your plan for the future? Definitely, many people have told that, sir, I don't have any idea, but I just want to get some job. That's it. You're not focused. You're not having a clarity on your which path, which lane you have to choose for your career. So for that, today I'm going to discuss about the four important lanes are there. So the first one is, how many of you are saying that, sir, I know about myself? I know about myself. Can you raise your hands so that I can just see how many people are telling that I know myself? Just I will get back to the video. Yes, one, one, two, three, four, five. Almost some around 20 to 30 people has raised the hand. You know about yourself. Okay, okay. Don't worry. Wait. I will ask few questions. Then you can find out whether you know about yourself. Okay, good. I will share my screen now. Yes. So, what is your favorite food? Yes, sir. Yeah, what is your favorite food? Everyone, anyone can answer. Anyone? What is your favorite food? Biryani. Okay, fine. Then only biryani for all. Only biryani. Okay, fine. Then next, what is your who is your favorite hero heroine? Vijay, Ajit. Okay, only those two people are there. Fine. Okay. Then next one is who's what is your favorite color? Black, black. Then blue. Okay, fine. Then who is your favorite? What is your favorite sports? Cricket. Then only cricket. Coco. Then Only Coco and cricket. Cricket. Okay, fine. Then, okay, what is your favorite movie? Favorite movie? Favorite movie, film. No, anyone can tell. What is a favorite movie? Okay, fine. I think your a lot of favorite movies are they're good. Okay, then what is your favorite place? I don't know. I can't get the answer. What is your favorite place? College. Okay, college. Okay, your hometown, whatever it is. Okay, fine. Okay. Now, when I'm asking the questions, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite book? What is your favorite sports? Who is your favorite hero, heroine? Okay, all the students has given the answer instantly, right? Like 2 minutes Maggie noodles, you have given the answer within 2 seconds. Sir, I like biryani, I like cricket, I like Vijay, I like my college plays, all those things. So finally, I'll ask you one question. Okay, if you know the question, okay, kindly raise your hands and just say what is that, right? Okay, so the final question is, what is favorite about you? Yes, come on, stand up. Your name? B. Femina. Okay, Femina. Tell me what is your favorite about you? Okay, fine. Maybe your voice may not be audible for me. No problem. Okay, whatever the name is, it's a good name. Fine. Can you tell me what is a favorite about you? Being yourself, being mine. Okay, that's okay. But I'm asking that you do you have any specific things that who which likes most about yourself? Which you like most about yourself? That may be your skill, that may be your character, or maybe the habit, or maybe some specific things. Your character, okay, but how can you define your character? How your character you're saying that, sir, I'm specific in my character. Can you show the difference? Being a kind, helpful, okay, so and then being myself, you already told. Fine, okay, okay, fine, okay, good, fine, okay, thank you. You can take your seats. Thank you so much. Yeah, fine. Now see, yeah, please, very good, good appreciation. See, as when you ask different terms of questions, you people are given an instant answer. But one important questions which I asked to you, only one person can able to raise a hand, can able to say at least certain things. What about others? By the time would have think what is my favorite about me? Would have think okay, what sir is asking favorite about me means what? Either he is asking about my character or my uh, personality or my behavior, what it is. So when I was asking what is favorite about you, no one can able to answer immediately. You can answer. You have the capability to answer for that question, but not instantly. When you ask what is your favorite food, what is your favorite sports, you are ready to answer. But when you ask a favorite about you, you are thinking for a certain time and not able to give the exact answer. You are ready to give the answer, but not able to give the exact answer. So now the situation is like this. I will start sharing the screen now. Yeah. So this is your final question. So the situation is like this. Because the first important problem of the youngsters at present generation is not knowing themselves. That means self-awareness. That is the first important life skills given by World Health Organization. Sir, all the people, all the human beings in the world has some skills, sir, but they are not ready to expose that because of they are not aware about themselves. So now you people cannot say that, sir, I am an youngster or I am a person who has crossed 19 age or 20 or 21. Since you are not awareness about yourself, still you people are like a babies in the cradles. Right? You know what is babies in the cradle? Small babies. Once the baby born, right? Okay. Either he or she, they will be in the cradle. They don't know who is their mom, who is their dad, where they are, what is the situation. We need to train the particular kids. Okay, asking her to speak, eat, all those things. So now you people are, you know about yourself, but when you ask what is the favorite thing, what is your strength, you people are taking some time to think. But the corporate will not expect this. They want an immediate answer that who you are. Tell me about your specific skills. Sam, I am a very good person with very good observation skill. You just bring me many objects in front of me. Within a 10 seconds, I can able to observe what are the objects and I can able to give me the answer. Observation skill is good, sir. Sir, give me some problem. I have a very good problem solving skills. Whatever the problem may be, I'll find out the easiest solutions for that. That is what your favorite. So from today onwards, you think, sir, where I am interested, what is my strength? Definitely that will be helpful for you to know about yourself. So self awareness is very important. Now uh, see, and now give me the answer for this. Are you doing life or is life doing you? Ah, yes. Life is doing you. That is absolutely right. Not only for you people, for everybody. Okay, only 1% or 2% they can say that, sir, I am making my life what I am expecting. Okay, this is what I am expected. This is what I decided that my career should be like this. So I am making according to that. Only few percentage, but 90 percentage. Sir, life ஏதோ போயிட்டு இருக்கு. நானும் போயிட்டு இருக்கேன் அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, right? You have heard this by video Vadivel dialogue. See, right? How many of people agree this? How many of you agree this dialogue? Everyone should accept. Right? You cannot say that, sir. No, sir. I decided like when I'm standing first standard, I should join the fifth standard, sixth standard in this school. When I studying sixth standard, I had decided that I should be joined in this 10th standard in this school. And I should join this college, I should study this course, I should want to become like this. This is what you planned, but actually it is not happened. Right? So life is doing you. You are not doing a life. If you want to make that, sir, I want to do my life what I expected is self-awareness is very, very important. So the first important skill is self-awareness. So guys, as a youngsters, you people should have this very very important. So if you face any failure, sir, I don't know about myself. When I'm planning to do a certain thing, sir, okay, I faced failures only, but learn from the failure. That is very important. That makes you to identify who you are, right? So learning is a very good platform for all the peoples, okay, to identify themselves. That is very important. So you have to know yourself. That is the beginning of all. Don't think that, sir, I studied MBA, I know. I studied BE, I know. Don't think like that. Now the world is different, right? Every day, every minute, every seconds, it's keep on changing. So you people has to change according to that. So you should start knowing yourself, identify your strength. That is the beginning for everything. Then you decide your career, whether I want to become a professional or a manager, or you want to start a business, or you want to become an entrepreneur. You before knowing yourself, you do this. Otherwise, it's very difficult. So go for a SWOT analysis. I think everyone know about this. You would have learned in many subjects also in strategic management, in HRM, but try to apply in your life. SWOT analysis is not applicable only to the corporates. It is applicable to your human beings also. Identify your strength. Okay, don't say that, sir, I don't have any weakness. You have weakness. Try to improve that. Try to find out that and make that weakness weak. And according to your strength, grab the opportunities and try to face the challenges, threats. So, better option is to know about yourself, SWOT analysis. Okay, that is very important. So, remember that. Okay, anything in the world like you can do, but only if you believe. Okay, when somebody when the faculties are asking what you want to become, you may think that, sir, I want to become this. I want to work in Google. I want to work in Microsoft. Yes, it is possible. Without knowing yourself, you cannot go and join the company, right? If Sundar Pichai didn't identify that who he is, definitely he would not be the CEO of Google, right? So if you see most of the multinational companies, all our Indians are CEO. So remember that you can do anything in this world if you believe yourself. So first important skill is self-awareness, right? Guys, you should know about yourself. Please, from today onwards, start identifying who you are. That is very important thing. And the second lane, what I'm going to talk about is personal branding. Sir, I know about myself, sir. I am clear. What I know what is my strength. But there are some people that they don't know how to project it. They don't know how to explore their skill, right? You may hear the dialogue, right? ஓவர் நைட்ல ஒபாமாவா ஆக முடியாதுன்னு ஒரு டயலாக் நீங்க கேட்டிருப்பீங்க எல்லாரும். கரெக்டா? எல்லாரும் கேட்டிருப்பீங்க. ஓவர் நைட்ல ஒபாமா ஆக முடியாது. But present situation, you can become famous overnight. Because in today's world, we have a very good platform called a social media platform. You are good in dance. You are good in certain skills. Take a video of 5 minutes, 3 minutes, put it in the YouTube. All the persons all over the world can view your YouTube. You will become famous overnight. That is called a branding. Okay, there are some people, right, in your class, okay, you know their skills, but they don't know how to explore their skills. Sir, அவன் வந்து ரொம்ப talented person, sir, but he cannot able to expose that. So the second important skills which you record nowadays is personal branding. Start branding yourself. Don't expect that others will help for you to go for a branding. No, you are the one and only person to brand yourself. So personal branding is the second lane that I want to say. Okay. So if you want to brand yourself, please follow this important aspects, which brings lot of changes in your life. Right. First, remove the negative people. You may think, for example, sir, I'm good in this skill. Okay, I am very good in making this. When you I talk to the about this to my friends or to my parents, they told that don't do all those things. Don't put all those things in the YouTube, or don't take picture and don't put it. This is not good, or this is useless. They will keep on telling like that. Please remove negative people from you around you. Okay, today you can put anything in the YouTube, anything in the social media platform. Okay, any nonsense you can put, you can become a famous. So the first important things to brand yourself is, which brings changes in your life. Please remove the negative people. And when you are started committing towards your goal, not 100%, 200%, 500% is very, very important. Don't say that, sir, I'm putting 100% effort. 100% effort is not at all needed nowadays. More than that is required. The third one is, please be humble. You will not get instant reply or instant output. Once if you did certain things, it will take time to get recognition. Sir, I did this job, I did this work, I put this video, but no one has given the comment, or no people has given like for this photo. Only 2 or 3 people has given. Don't expect the immediate result. Stay humble. That is very important. And start learning from the mistake. If you do mistake, okay, don't get disappointed. Find out that, sir, this is the area where I did the mistake. I need to correct myself. Next time, that particular mistake should not happen. Learning from your mistakes, that will helpful for you to brand yourself. And try to brand yourself which is relevant to you. Sir, I am good in this skill. Try to post a video of that particular action or activity which is relevant to you. Start improving your relevant skill. Okay, you may think, sir, I'm not good in this. I'm good in this only. Try to improve yourself in the respective skills. It is not that a person cannot become familiar in all the skills. You can become expert in only one area. Okay, try to build that. And try to come out with new things from that relevant skills. Reinvent yourself. That is very, very important. That is for the best way of branding. Right? And another important thing is, if you want to brand yourself, please follow this cycle. That is very important. Don't fit into the comfort zone. You may born and brought up in Tiruvannamalai. You are studied in Tiruvannamalai. You will get job in Tiruvannamalai. You will get married in Tiruvannamalai. You will die in Tiruvannamalai. No use. I can say you that no use. No one knows about you except your family members. Sometimes your family members may not identify you also if you are not success, right? Now your father, mother can think that you are my son and all those things, but you can get the different reply from your parents after 2 to 3 years if you are not success. You believe this, you believe this word or not, that is the fact. உங்க லாங்குவேஜ்ல சொல்ல போனா fact. இன்னைக்கு வேணா உங்களுக்கு வந்து your parents can support a lot of things, but after completing your MBA, you are not getting a job for 2 or 3 years. 4th year they started screaming on you. That shows that you are still in the comfort zone. நீங்க இன்னும் வந்து உங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட எதிர்பார்க்கறீங்க, ஏதாவது நம்மளுக்கு பண்ணுவாங்க, somebody will help me, because you want to be in the safer zone. My dear students, please remember that don't be in the safer zone. Okay, that is the weakest point of you. Please shift yourself. If you are feeling that, sir, if I'm there in Tiruvannamalai, if I'm there getting job in this, if I'm getting 5,000 or 10,000, is it enough for me? Okay, and you are telling that, sir, that is a safe and comfort for me, means no, not at all, because you cannot predict the future. Tomorrow you don't know what will happen. So please, guys, try to move yourself from the comfort zone to the growth zone. When you are shifting yourself, for example, there are some people, you will have the enthusiasm and interest to go out, sir, I want to go out and get job, I need to learn lot of things, means please go. Okay, you will have that fear that if I go there I will have a language problem, I don't know whether there will be some people to support me. No, don't think like that. If you are in the fear zone, okay, don't lose your hope, be confident. Okay, try to overcome that. From that, start learning, ready to face the challenges. That learning zone will make you to reach your dream job. If you reach the particular dream job, that is the growth of your career as well as the life. If Sundar Pichai didn't think that I am comfortable what I am earning in Madurai itself, definitely you would not be in success at this level. And a world cannot recognize him as a very good CEO. The entire world is recognizing, praising him, the world, the best CEO. Google, that to Google. If you want to reach your dream job, if you want to reach the success in your life, please shift yourself from the comfort zone to growth zone. That is very, very important, guys. Right? So that is a one way to brand yourself. So if you start looking into this, definitely one day you can become a successful person. And for branding yourself, you are the one and only media. Don't expect others to brand your skill, knowledge. Please brand yourself. That is very important. And see, there are few samples. How many of you know all these four person? First person, who is the first person? Hmm? What is his name? Anyone can tell me. Yes, yes. So he is just a student, 10th standard student. He has come out with the lightest satellite, which weighed 64 gram. Until no one knows about him, right? Until no one knows about him. Okay, a talented skill plays a very important role here for branding. And you are thinking that, sir, only skills plays a very important role in branding, not any other thing. See the second picture. Who is this person in the second picture? Irfan. What he is doing? He is just doing a nonsense in the YouTube. That's all. He will go to the hotels. He will just taste the food and he will put the viewers, all those things. Just that is his job. That is not relevant to skill. If you are a foodie, if you are interested in eating food, go to the hotel, taste the food, give some feedback about that food and the restaurant, and put some video. You can become famous. Nonsense, right? Some people may command what he is doing, just eating and giving a command. But he is become famous in YouTube. Who is the third person? Dandy Arumugam. If you are thinking that say age is one of the important factor, then think about this person. At the age of 75 also, he started branding himself based on his skills where he can cook certain dishes in a traditional way. If a person who is at the age of 75 can brand himself, why can't you? You people are just 20, 21 plus. Why can't you brand yourself? Third person, fourth person. Who is the fourth person? Alex. What he is doing? Just what already the songs are there. He is putting in Tanglish and he is making a fun on that. That's it. See, I had given a 4 different brands. If you are thinking that, sir, only knowledge skills very, very important role in branding, you can take the first picture as an example. No, sir, I am not worried about whether I'm an MBA or a BE. I have a specific skills. I want to explore that skill. Go through. This is just a sample brands. There are lot of brands I can say. So guys, after knowing about yourself, please brand yourself. If you are not branding, only your friends or only the students who is there in the college knows about you, definitely you cannot shine in your career. Start exploring. Where you want to reach, sir, I want to reach in that particular position. Okay, until you brand yourself to that position, you cannot reach. So please brand yourself. This is just one example. And how you see yourself, how others you see, that is the combination of personal branding. That is a very important factor. And for example, see, you know Rajinikanth, right? Just bus conductor, but now he is one of the legend who's earning in crores. The topmost paid actors, Indian actors. Bill Gates. Nowadays, no world is running without the technology, without the Microsoft Office. And Ambani, Jio, the god of the cricket, and another legend, Shah Rukh Khan. So life is not about that you cannot do so far. It's about what you still can. இது வரைக்கும் பண்ற வரைக்கும் விட்டுருங்க சார். இதுக்கு மேல நீங்க என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க? நீங்க ஜாபுக்கு போறீங்களோ இல்ல ஒரு ஆண்டர்பிரனர் ஆவீங்களோ, what you know about yourself, how you brand yourself. How many of you having a YouTube channel? Can you raise me? YouTube channel. Just raise your hands. How many of you having a YouTube channel? No one? Only one, I think so. The last person sitting in the last, I think is he or she is raised a hand. No? Okay, fine. No, it's not a problem. It's not a problem, guys. See, today itself. Okay, I will talk to your faculties, HOD as well as faculties. Okay, to ensure that you have a business application software subject, right? BA, some lab courses is there in the second sem. Please try to create a YouTube channel by using your mail ID. Please start creating your YouTube channel. Okay, and I will, after 2 days, I will talk with your faculties and I'll confirm that whether everyone has created a YouTube channel. Please start posting what are the videos what are the activities you are doing. If you are singing, if you are dancing, sir, I am good in craft work. Sir, I am good in collecting the wastage and making as a useful product. Please put 2 minutes, 3 minutes short video of those things and please upload in your YouTube and start branding yourself. I have many class videos and the soft skill video. Okay, in my YouTube, my YouTube channel name is Somu's Mind Repository. Somu's Mind Repository. If you go there, you can see some lectures as well as some soft skill training videos also. Okay, which is very useful to the students. Right? So please start creating a YouTube channel today itself. Guys, that is very, very important for branding. Okay, so the next thing is, see, one day you can become like these peoples also if you started branding yourself. Right? These all the people has become famous. They branded themselves through their skills. So please brand yourself. And the third important lane what I want to talk about is creativity. Very, very important in the present situation. Whether you want to go to a company to work as an employee or whether you want to become an entrepreneur, if you don't have a creative skills, you cannot sustain. corporates are expecting a creativity from all the students because they want to promote their brand, right? So I'll ask you one question. What is the recent creative activity done by Pothis? Can anyone can tell me? Online video shopping, right? Very good. See, if they are thinking that a pandemic situation creates a loss for the company, think about Pothis. They come out with a creative idea of going for online video shopping, and they sustain in their business. Not only Pothis, many. And here, I don't know whether you are went to hotel here in Bangalore, right? In Bangalore, if you go to the restaurant, okay, during the pandemic, there will not be the waiters. Service boy will not be there. Just go and sit in the table. There will be a barcode will be there in the table. We need to scan the barcode so that we can able to come to know what are the menus are there and what is the dishes are available at time in the particular hotel, and we can order immediately. They will deliver. No service, no waiters in the hotel. The technology. And another important thing is online platform. Okay, so far past 2 days, 2 years, we had a classes through online platform, right? Either through Google Meet, through Zoom, or Microsoft Team, whatever it is. All these things are creativity, sir. Whatever you do, please do different from others. That is very important. So creativity. So if you think that Thomas Alva Edison's, we don't have electricity, and we don't have smartphones, and we don't have cartoon pick. These are all the creators. So you should be a creativity. Okay, you should have some creativity, innovation, creative thinking. It is not that you have to come out with a new product or a new thing. Already there are some lot of factors, there are lot of products are available. But what is a new add-ons? What is the add-ons that you are going to go give it in the particular product? The best example what I can say is mobile phone, right? Mobile phone. There are lot of brandeds are there, but why people are looking towards Apple? Why other people are looking towards Mi? Why others are Realme? Why others on Lenovo or whatever it is? Why? Creativity. The add-ons, the features which is added in each and every mobile that attracts the customers. That makes the particular companies to brand their products. Creativity, innovation, creative thinking is very, very important for your life. Whatever you do it in a creative way. And these are the components of creativity. Before bringing some creativity in that particular field, you should be expertise, and you should get lot of motivation from the various factors, maybe from your parents, teachers, friends, and you should have the creative thinking skill. Basically, this is a innovation, right? See, 25 years difference of PC, computer, laptop, and the mobile phone. This is the creativity and critical thinking, as well as if you start thinking in a different way, right, it will solve many problems in the world. That shows your creative thinking. That is what both is, and where many education institution, many retail sector started following that. Right, that is one of the important thing. See, there are some creative thinkings I can show you. You can use this as an umbrella as well as you can use this as a carry bag. Inside, outside umbrella. And you can use this glass wiper, mirror wiper. And you can go for reusable candle. Once if you use, we will throw. No. Just reverse it and start using in a different way. And 360 power socket. And umbrella with the raincoat. And if you have a butter stick, it will be very easy, right? So butter stick type. And see the creativity of the people. No problem. You can solve a lot of problems if you have a creative thinking, creative skills. So, guys, if you want to bring creativity, creative skills, please start using your right brain. We are using only the left brain. Please start using the right brain. Right brain brings you the holistic thinking, okay, and dreaming, imagination. That makes you a creative persons in the world. Creativity is a very important skills you record for your career. Either you want to work in a company, either you want to become an entrepreneur. Creativity is skill. So please imagine, dream, dream, dream. As Abdul Kalam told, right? Dream, dream, dream. Imagine a lot. Okay, imagine so that you can create yourself. Don't think that, sir, I want to live my life like this person. Don't. Create yourself how you want to live your life. What kind of a career you want? Create your career. For that, creativity is very important, right? And the final lane, final important skill is problem solving skills. If you go to a corporate or if you want to start a business, definitely the problem will be there. You cannot say that, sir, I want to go to the job where I will not get a problem at all. No. Even you're working in a lower level or a middle level or a higher level, you have a problems in your life. Okay, if you are thinking, how can you can see the problem? See, do you have a problem in your life? If you are saying yes, sir, I have a problem, then can you do something about it? Yes. Can you do something on the particular problem? If you are saying yes, then why you want to worry? Because you are going to find out the solution. You know what is your problem. You are thinking that, sir, I can able to solve the problem. Then why you are worrying about the problem? Suppose, sir, I have a problem in my life, and if you are thinking that I cannot do anything, then also why you want to worry? Then also why you want, because a problem you are selling that I am not, it is not possible to find out the solution. Then don't worry about the particular problem. Leave it. Then why you want to worry about the problem? And do you have a problem in your life? You are saying no. Then also don't worry. So finally, what you are telling, sir? That is your question, right? See, whatever the problem may be, whether you are having or not having, whether you are able to find the solution or not able to find the solution, don't worry about the problem. You know the proverb, right? The God will not create a lock without a key. If you are facing a problem in your life, try to face a problem, develop the attitude to face the problem, find out the solution. Definitely, solutions will be there. If you think this pandemic situation, there is no solution at all. We got it after 1 year. After 6 months, we got the solution. We got the vaccination. Okay, we got the actual awareness how to avoid ourselves from COVID. Initially, when the first wave comes, most of the people don't have an awareness. We know we have to wear the mask and we need to sanitize our hand. But in the second wave, everyone started knowing that oxygen is very important. Even though if you're affected with COVID, oxygen supply is very important. Wearing a mask, sanitizing your hands. Okay, you need to maintain the oxygen level. Okay, you need to identify the symptoms. There are so they show told different symptoms. So every problem will have a solution. So problem solving skill is one of the important skills which is required for you. Whether you are going to any company, whether you are going to start a company, whatever it is, only through the problem you will get the opportunity to learn new things. Through the problem only you will learn new things. You will start getting a creative idea. Sir, I can able to solve this problem in a different way. That shows your creativity. That shows your problem solving skill. This is what I asked when you're talking about self-awareness, right? What is the favorite thing about you? Don't tell that, sir, my character, my personality, my behavior, my attitude. and I'm a hard worker person. No, you need to have a specific unique skills. So I am a very good problem solver. If you give any kind of a problem, I can be able to give a solution for that. That shows your problem solving skill. So I am a very good creative person. If you give anything to me, I will project it in a different manner. This is what your skill. This is what you should think that you should tell that after 1 or 2 years. If you ask what is your favorite about you, you should say this only. That means that shows that you are done a SWOT analysis on about yourself. So problem solving skill is very very important, guys. So in your life you may get a lot of problem. I already told you, right? After completing MBA, some people may get job immediately. Some people will take time. Some people cannot able to sustain in that particular job. Some people will have the problem in getting the job. Right? Please don't worry about that. Try to solve the problem by using your creative skills. Start analyzing yourself. That is what you have to do. Right? So always solve the problem or leave the problem, but don't live with the problem. Sir, I have a problem in my life. My parents have a problem. My friends have a problem. Okay, my character is a problem. My have a communication problem. Don't live with that problem. If you have a communication problem, identify how you can improve your communication. Get the help of the teacher. Ask the teacher to give some assignment to you. Ask them to give some paragraph to read, to present it in the conference, to present it in the program. That's solve your communication problem. But don't live with the problem. Telling that I have a communication problem, I don't know to speak in English, I have this problem, that problem. Don't live with the problem for many years. That will become a big problem. Either solve the problem or leave the problem. Right? That is a very important thing. So finally, guys, don't tell your problems to others. They will say that, huh? Yes, oh, that's a problem. Okay, okay, fine. Don't worry, it will get over. That's all. They will go. They will not be there. They will just hear what is your problem. That's all. Please don't tell the problems to your people. Try to reinvent yourself to solve it. Don't expect the other person to solve your problems. Then it will be a problem for that person. Don't tell the problems. Just go ahead, find the solution, solve the problem. That is what. And finally, if you want to reach your dream job, if you want to reach your career, right? Either it's an entrepreneur or a businessman. Okay, really, your idea is a very important thing. Okay, you know IIC, Institution Innovation Cell is there in the college. Approach them. Tell your plan. Give your idea. Draft a report on that plan. Approach them. Verify that idea and get help from them. Definitely, one day you can become a success. Not only IIC, we have EIC is there. We have District Industry Center. In Tiruvannamalai, we have District Industry Center and Collector Office. I don't know how many people has visited. Get the application form, submit your plan. They are ready to give a loan. And whatever the things that you are going to bring, you have to change the world. Now the government, right now the present government was bringing a lot of changes in avoiding the plastic. Yesterday also they started the like a Meendum Manja Pai, right? Do you have a solution to avoid the plastics? If you have, please approach the government, come out with the idea, please execute that. You are going to change the world and be an adventure and bring a lot of inventions in the product. Don't think that, sir, already this product is there. Okay, already this object is there. This is available in the market. Okay, fine. But what is the new things that you are going to add in that existing product? That is also a creativity. Okay, and being a businessman, okay, I don't care about whose idea it is. If you are focusing on what you want to do, please go ahead. Start making a money. Okay, and come out with the creative skills, come out with the things that is logical for the entire world. That is what the things that you have to do. Either if you want to become an entrepreneur or if you want to work in a company. That is very important skill, whatever the dream job may be. And you are thinking that, sir, I don't have any chance to achieve my dream. Sir, you are talking about some important skills. Okay, I don't know that skills. I don't have the skills. But you are thinking that I don't have the chance to achieve your dream or career job. Is there? I'll see the next slide. See, if you are thinking that I don't have a chance, I'm not getting an opportunity at all. Think about these two people. You know, in pandemic, many people has lost their job, right? During that time also, he started selling 17,700 sanitizer bottle. The other person, right? Other person who has lost the job, he started writing an ebook and started publishing Amazon and got income. See, you can find out your path, sir. Don't think that, sir, I went for an interview, they are not giving a job. I asked them, they told that they don't have a job, they don't have a vacancy. No, create a vacancy. For in 4.4 million people lost job in the last 2 years because of coronavirus. See about these two guys. I just showed only these two examples. There are lot of examples are there. So you have a chance, guys. And how to get an idea? Look out the problem. What is the present problem in the world? Okay, and don't think that sir, someone should notice you. No, look out the problem. Come out with the creative skills. Start branding yourself. The world will look you at one day. Okay, pay attention to the things what you are bothered or what you are worried about the world or about the situation. That is very important. That is the way that you can get your idea, either to work in the company or to work in the to become an entrepreneur. And after getting an idea, please validate your idea. If you want to make your dream job to be fulfilled, please validate yourself whether we are in the right position, whether we are in the right place, whether we are in the right track. This is what we expected. Sometimes everything will not be a great, right? Not all the ideas, not all the plans are great. Okay, you have to discuss, you have to learn a lot of things from a lot of people. That is what they called as experiential learning, right? According to new education policy, you guys are studying in an old regulation, but in Bangalore, we had implemented a new education policy from the first year. So in the new education policy from the first year, no lecture, no ordinary lecture coming and taking the class. We need to go for a lecture with experiential learning. If I am taking human resource management subject or a marketing management or enterprise resource planning ERP paper, I should explain them what is that ERP, okay, through experiential way by showing some software or by giving some activity and asking them to engage in the activities, how functions of management will work. This is what the experiential learning we are doing from the present year onwards because of new education policy. So always learn from your experience. That makes you a great in your career. That is a way to validate your idea, your plan to reach your dream job. And see, this is an example. How many of your people know about this person? PC Mustafa. What is his product? Can anyone? What is the product this company owns? No one knows. PC Mustafa.
Sir, so,
How many
sir,
of it? Yes, ma'am.
can
Yes,
you
yes,
keep
ma'am.
it for some time as we have some video problem here?
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, okay, sir. Sumit, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay. Yes. How many of you know that PC Mustafa? Anyone? Anyone can raise a hand. How many of you know that person PC Mustafa? No one knows. Okay, I will give the clue. Every day you are having a breakfast, right? Breakfast. What is a favorite breakfast? Where you will use that to prepare. You can prepare two dish in that batter. You know batter, idli mavu, dosa mavu, right? Don't know. You know batter, right? Idli mavu, dosa mavu சொல்லுவாங்க கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? Okay, fine, good. And how many of you know ID brand? ID batter. It is there in the supermarket. I think more market is there in the Tirunamali Tirudal street. Just please go and find out ID batter is there. Not only batter, ID that vada mavu also is there available. Okay, so he is a person. Okay, he is a person who has created that brand. See, ID. He is an engineer. He is an engineer.
Sumit, sir.
Yes, yes.
Again, please, for 5 minutes, sir.
Okay, okay.
கிளாஸ் முடியும்
10 minutes.
நான் எதுக்கு ரெடியாக இருக்கேன் தெரியுமா பார்க்க நான் எதுக்கு ரெடியாக இருக்கேன் தெரியுமா பார்க்குக்கு தான் ரெடியாக இருக்கேன்
10
போலாமா
minutes, 10 minutes.
ஓகே என்னத்துப்பா பண்றாங்க?
கேமரா சரியா தெரியலையா அவங்களுக்கு,
ஆ.
அதெல்லாம் ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க.
அந்த HDMI மட்டும் disconnect பண்ணு. ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகாது. ஆமா. அது மவுஸ் அது ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. ப்ராப்ளம். ஓகே. எஸ்.
Yes.
Okay, now you can continue.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. Sorry for the technical glitches. Okay, fine. So this is a ID brand, right? You can go to the Boer market, which is there in the Tirudal street, right, in Tiruvannamalai. Just find out ID batter will be there. He is an engineer, right? Basically, he's an engineer. He faced a lot of problems for continuing his education, and then he started this business in a small level with the help of his mother, putting this batter in the packet, and he used to sell in the city, right? And then slowly he got a very good reputation, and he came out with the batter now, and he came out with ID, that barota, chapati, all those things, right? So don't think that sir, you don't have the opportunities. You have a lot of chances in your life, but the choice is depends on you. Don't think that sir, I should go only to the job, or I should start only the business. You have a lot of chances in your life according to the situation. Please try to grab the opportunity and show your skill. So the choice is yours. The choice is left to you people, and it is your attitude towards that to choose your dream job, right? So who is responsible for reaching your career? Guys, you are the responsible. Your parents can be the leader, your teachers can be the leader, your friends can be the leader, and other people can be the act as a leader. They will facilitate you, that's it, but they will not come along with you to reach your dream job. You are only the responsible to reach your career. They can be a ladder and first level, second level, third level, whatever it is. But you are the only person to reach the career. So please start valuing yourself. So this is my strength, this is my weakness. I have the opportunity, and this is the skill I am possessing, and I can able to brand myself with the help of this skill. Please start evaluating yourself if you want to become a success in your career. Okay, show more and more interest on the area. Okay, where focus on the area where you are interested. Try to improve the skill. What kind of a skill you already possess yourself. Don't think that I want to become a programmer, I want to become a software engineer. Don't think like others. Sir, I have this specific skill. Please improve that skill. Everyone cannot become a technician. Everyone cannot become a software programmer. Everyone cannot become a decision maker. According to your skill, please focus on that particular skill and try to improve yourself. Bring lot of changes. Try to update yourself. Nowadays, the platforms are so easy. We have a lot of platforms to upgrade ourselves, to develop ourselves. But still, if you are in the comfort zone, definitely you cannot become a success. You can feel that I am success in the comfort zone, feeling that I am safe, comfort, I am success. No, only you know, your parents know, your circle knows that. So try to evaluate yourself. That is very important thing. And if you are thinking that, see, this is a one WhatsApp picture usually we used to get in the Facebook, other thing. 20 years ago we had a Johnny Cash, Bob Hope, Steve Jobs, but today no cash, no hope, no job. Then after this is my creativity. After seeing this picture, I thought that why they are telling that there is no cash, no hope, no job. This is not going to be a permanent, right? This will change. Okay, the cycle will begin. So how this picture changes is, I made this picture, so rotate this picture. I made like this. This is not going to be permanent. Tomorrow it will change. Cash will be on, hope will be on, jobs will be on. Right? This is right, of course, right? This is correct. You cannot think that, you cannot say that, sir, there is no job in the pandemic. No, that is not going to be a permanent. Definitely tomorrow there will be a job. You have a lot of opportunities. So please apply that kind of creative in your life. That is very important. Okay, so finally, please adopt this mantra for making your career as a best. Do what you love. Like, please focus on the area what you are interested. Try to fulfill the needs of yourself as well as the society, and identify that what is the return you will get it on that. That is very, very important. If I do this, definitely the world will recognize me, sir, and I will get paid for that. So please adopt this success mantra for your best career. And finally, if you are failed or if you get disappointed, please don't lose your hope. See the picture. Always falling down is not a losing, guys. Please think in a different way. If you are telling that, sir, whenever I started this, I am getting disappointment, that is not happening, sir. Only I am getting failure only. Whenever I talk about this, immediately the people are demotivating me. Don't think like that. Falling down is not always a losing. So don't lose your hope. That is the final thing that I want to tell you. So career choices are your life choices. That will decide your life, guys. Whether you want to work as a manager, whether you want to become an entrepreneur. Both entrepreneur and then the manager, the innovative skills is record for your career. So career choices or life choices, please take them seriously and do it right from today onwards. Start analyzing yourself, and finally becoming an entrepreneurship. Okay, it is not like only the most people will don't like that, but you can focus on what you can. Everyone cannot live like a Ambani or whatever it is, but you can make yourself according to your convenience, according to your interested area. So please live your life like that. So that is what I want to conclude. So finally, see, after hearing this 1 hour motivational speech, now you will be enthusiastic, right? You'll be feeling that Sarah told something. Oh, after going home, we can see what you will do. So please don't be like that. No one can motivate you unless you motivate yourself. Don't think that every time teachers will behind you, parents will behind you. Okay, next 1 or 2 years, parents will be there. Okay, till this year, teachers will be there. But after 2 years, once parents not able to support, no one is there to support you. So only you are the persons to motivate yourself, guys. Please motivate yourself. Right. So finally, a few quotes from my side to have a very good life. Please think twice before you speak. And everyone will not get a success in their life, but everyone has the capability to become success. And don't lose your hope, so that no one can beat you. And believe yourself. And the life given to you is only one time. Please live for yourself. So with this quote, I will end the session. So guys, thank you all for your wonderful participation and patient listening. So now there's a time for open discussion. So now the forum is open for any questions, any interactions. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Just raise your hands and please come front and you can ask me. Any questions? Okay, no problem. If you don't have a questions, not a problem. Please, at least, can any 1 or 2 people can tell me that what you learned really, sir. I learned this. This is what something new to me today. Genuine feedback. Don't tell like that, sir, it was wonderful, good, whatever it is. If you are saying negative, also not a problem. That's experiential learning for me. This is what I learned, this is what I developed. Those who want to share, please come friend and you can tell me.
Sir,
Yes, your name?
sir, one question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, தமிழ்ல கேட்கட்டுமா?
கேட்கலாம் தாராளமா கேட்கலாம்.
சார் நீங்க லெஃப்ட் சைடு பிரைன் ரைட் பிரைன் யூஸ் பண்ண சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க இல்லைங்க சார்?
ஓகே
சார் அது எப்படி சார் யூஸ் பண்றது?
யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுன்னா வந்து அது சம்மந்தமான ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் தாங்க நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ண. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இப்போ பசில்ஸ் பசங்க விளையாடுறாங்க பார்த்தீங்களா, பசில்ஸு இந்த சுடக்குலாம் விளையாடுறாங்க பார்த்தீங்களா, இதெல்லாம் வந்து அதிகமாக நீங்கள் வந்து ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும். நிறைய பசில்ஸ் நீங்கள் வந்து பசில்ஸு அப்புறம் வந்து இந்த சுடக்கு இந்த மாதிரியான பசில்ஸ் கேம்ஸ்ல நிறைய இருக்குது. வேர்டு, நம்பர்ஸு, பிக்சரு, இந்தமாரி நீங்கள் அந்த பசில்ஸ்லாம் நீங்கள் நிறைய ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலாக உங்களோட ரைட் பிரெயினை வந்து நீங்கள் அப்ளை பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கிறீங்கன்னு அர்த்தம். ஆக்சுவலாக நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ இருக்கிற ப்ரெசன்ட் சுச்சுவேஷன் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யூகேஜி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் லெவல்லே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த மாதிரியான அந்த கியூபிக்ஸு இந்த மாதிரியான பசில்ஸ் வந்து அவங்களுடைய சப்ஜெக்ட்லேயே இன்க்ளூட் ஆயிருக்கு. ஏன்னா தே வாண்ட் டு அடாப்ட் சம் கிரியேட்டிவிட்டி. இப்போ நீங்கள் வந்து ப்ராஜெக்ட் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபைனல் இயர்ஸில் மட்டும்தான் பண்ணுவீங்க. ஓகே, பட் இப்போ இருக்கிற இந்த ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் எஜுகேஷன், இப்போ நியூ எஜுகேஷன் பாலிசி ப்ளஸ் இங்கே பெங்களூர் இருக்க ஸ்கூல்ஸ்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தே ஸ்டார்டட் அடாப்டிங் டூயிங் திஸ் ஸ்மால் ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஃப்ரம் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் இட் செல்ஃப். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸோட கிரியேட்டிவிட்டியை டெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தே ஆர் ப்ராக்டிஸிங். அதை வந்து ரெகுலராக நீங்கள் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா யூ ஆர் ஸ்டார்டட் அப்ளைங் அ ரைட் பிரெயின். It is not that everyone can apply. For example, நீங்க 100% அப்ளை பண்ணணும்னு கேட்டா டெஃபினட்டா இல்ல. If you take Albert Einstein, right, you know Albert Einstein, okay, only 7% of right brain is used. Scientist கே பாருங்க 7% தான். அப்ப நம்மள ஏமாத்திரம் பாத்துங்க. பட் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா you can make it perfect. நீங்க இந்த பசங்க இந்த பசில்ஸ் விளையாடுறாங்க பாத்தீங்களா, இந்த ரூபிக், அது வந்து ப்ராக்டிஸ் மூலமாக தான் அவங்க வந்து தே ஆர் மேக்கிங் எவ்ரி சைட் அஸ் த சேம் கலர். அது ப்ராக்டிஸ் இல்லாமல் வரவே வராது. தட் மீன்ஸ் தே ஸ்டார்டட் அப்ளைங் த ரைட் பிரெயின். அதாவது நம்ம வந்து எல்லாருமே வந்து ரைட் ஹேண்டில் தான் நம்ம சாப்பிட்றோம், ஓகேவா? ஆனால் பசங்க நீங்கள் குழந்தைங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இமீடியட்டாக வந்து லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்டில் தான் எடுப்பாங்க. பட் நம்ம அதை இனிஷியலாக வந்து அதை நம்ம வந்து ஸ்டாப் பண்ணுறோம் பசங்களோட லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு. சைக்காலஜிக்கலாக நீங்கள் செக் பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்டில் எடுக்கிறது வந்து நல்லது. தட் மீன்ஸ் யூ ஆர் ப்ரொவைடிங் அ ஸ்பேஸ் ஃபார் த கிட்ஸ் டு திங்க் டு அப்ளை த ரைட் பிரெயின் வென் தே ஆர் டேக்கிங் லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட். பட் அதை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், அப்படி பண்ணாதுன்னு சொல்லி அதை ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டு வி ஸ்டார்டட் யூசிங் அ ரைட் பிரெயின். தட் மீன்ஸ் வி ஆர் ஃபோர்சிங் டு யூஸ். ஸோ இது யூஸ் இல்லாமல் போயிடுது. அதனால தான் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு ரைட் ஹேண்டில் வந்து ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரென்த் அதிகமாக இருக்கும். யாருமே லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்டில் அடிக்க மாட்டாங்க, ரைட் ஹேண்டில் தான் அடிப்பீங்க. பார்த்தீங்க, எது நீங்க கேரி பண்ண சொல்லலாம் ரைட் ஹேண்ட்ல தான் கேரி. ஏன்னா we started practicing using this left hand for many things. அப்ப இது என்ன when you started using this right brain, definitely it will help you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you for a wonderful question.
Good afternoon, everyone. Presence here. It gives an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this event. All dignitaries assembled here. I would like to thank our chief guest who honored this function with his inspirational thoughts about the career development skills for youngsters to guide us. I would like to thank our beloved principal, Register Sir, respected HOD Sir, and reputed staff members, and my dear students, for making this occasion as a grand success. Once again, I thanking you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. ஃபைனலா யாருமே ரெண்டு பேரும் யாரும் ஃபீட்பேக் கேட்டிருந்தேன், கொடுக்கவே இல்லையே. அதுக்குள்ள vote of thanks சொல்லி முடிச்சிட்டீங்க. I need one boy one girl. சும்மா வந்து பேசுங்க சார். என்ன உண்மையிலே இன்னைக்கு வந்து உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்தா அதை சொல்லுங்க எனக்கு. One boy one girl. First volunteer, we'll go for a volunteer. இல்லைன்னா நான் ஒரு செக்லிஸ்ட் வச்சிருக்கேன். We'll go according to that. Any one boy, one girl.
Sir,
Yes, madam.
we learn more about what we think and believe what we are, and we get more knowledge what we are, and we are going to analyze about us, and then it is a knowledge for every person. Which is, you said that you think of yourself and do what you know, but we all are doing that what we are thinking, but the society are not accepting or thinking. So how to face that?
Okay, how to face that? See, don't worry about that. What other societies are thinking. See, I showed you some brands, right? You have a brands that Mustaf Razak has come out with a small satellite. Irfan's is doing nonsense. Why world bother about that? No, world doesn't bother about both the people, but both the people have become a famous, right? He is
Yeah,
doing
also
what is interested. That will be there. ஓகே, யாருமே வந்து உங்களுடைய ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன்லேயே வந்து அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. தெர் ஆர் லாட் ஆஃப் பீப்புள்ஸ் டு டிமோட்டிவேட் யூ ஒன்லி. ஓகேவா? அதாவது வந்து பாராட்டினாலும் வந்து குறைய சொல்றதுக்கு தான் நிறைய பேர் இருப்பாங்க. ஓகேவா? தட் இஸ் ட்ரூ. பட் டோன்ட் வரி அபவுட் தட். இஃப் யூ ஆர் டேக்கிங் தட், டோன்ட் டேக் இட் இன் டு த டெப்த் ஆஃப் யுவர் திங் அண்ட் டோன்ட் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் தட் இட் இஸ் வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட். சொல்றாங்கல்ல, விச் இஸ் குட், அதில் எது நல்லதுன்னு பார்த்து ஜஸ்ட் டேக் இட். ரிமைனிங் யூ லிவ் இட். Okay, that is what the things that you have to do. So make yourself comfortable and feel that whatever you are doing, you are right.
thank you, sir. That's it.
Thank you so much. One boy.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Your name?
This is Ruben Kumar, sir.
Ruben Kumar. Tell me, Ruben Kumar.
Sir, you said that you have to keep building your relevant skill, sir. Sir, have you ever built your relevant skill?
You asking me?
Yes, sir. How did
Yes.
you build your relevant skill, sir? Can you please?
Practice. Through practice. For example, see, உண்மையை சொல்ல போனா நான் வந்து டீச்சிங் ஜாபுக்கே வரக்கூடாதுன்னு நினைச்சேன். உண்மையை சொல்ல போனா டீச்சிங் ஜாபுக்கு வரக்கூடாதுன்னு நினைச்சேன். But after attending a lot of interviews, this is what the option I had. ஓகேவா? வரக்கூடாத டைம்ல வந்தாச்சு. ஏன்னா நாங்கள் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணும்போது அப்போ வந்து ஒபாமா பிரசிடென்ட் அந்த அவுட் சோர்சிங் எல்லாமே வந்து கேன்சல் பண்ணதால ஐடி கம்பெனிஸ் எல்லாமே ஷட் டவுன். வி கெட் பேக் டு தட் ஹோம். ஸோ அந்த டைமில் வந்து வேற நோ அதர் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் டு கெட் பேக் டு த ஜாப். ஸோ இது கிடைச்சிதுன்னு சொல்லி என்ட்ரி ஆயாச்சு. பட் என்ட்ரி ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் ஐ ஃபவுண்ட் அவுட் தட் ஃபார் டீச்சிங் ஜாப் எதெல்லாம் தேவை, வி நீட் டு கெட் கிளியர் நெட், நேஷனல் எலிஜிபிலிட்டி டெஸ்ட் கிளியர் பண்ணி ஆகணும். அதுதான் எலிஜிபிலிட்டி மெயின். நேஷனல் லெவலில் நீங்கள் டீச்சராக போகணும், அசிஸ்டன்ட் ப்ரொஃபஸராக போகணும் காலேஜ்னா நெட் ஷுட் பி கிளியர். ஸோ நான் என்ன பண்ணேன்னா, சரி அதை ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணுவோமே. ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணி ஐ கிளியர்ட் அட் த எண்ட் ஆஃப் ஃபோர்த் டைம் அட்டம் பண்ணி தான் நான் கிளியர் பண்ணேன். ஓகேவா? 3 times கிளியர் பண்ணல, 4th time தான் அது கிளியர் பண்ணது. ஓகேவா? தென் ஐ கம்ப்ளீட்டட் தட் அண்ட் ஆஃப்டர் தட் ஐ ஃபவுண்ட் அவுட் தட் what is the next things to go to my like associate professor or professor category, இல்ல ஒரு ரீடர் ஆகணும், இல்ல ஒரு டியூட்டர் ஆகணும், இல்ல ஒரு புக் எழுதணும்னா we need to have a PhD. So I started registering the PhD and started undergoing that. But PhD பண்றது அவ்வளோ ஈஸியும் இல்லை, அவ்வளோ கஷ்டமும் இல்லை. PhD பண்றது ஈஸியும் இல்லை, கஷ்டமும் இல்லை. பட் ஆனால் நீங்கள் எதுவுமே தெரியாமல் PhD பண்ணீங்கன்னா பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ வாட் ஐ டிட் இஸ், PhD பண்ணுறதுக்கு தேவையானது என்னென்னா ரிசர்ச் பற்றின ஸ்கில்ஸ், சில சாஃப்ட்வேர்ஸ் ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுறதுக்கு, டேட்டா அனாலிசிஸ் பண்ணுறது, இந்த மாதிரியான ஸ்கில்ஸ்லாம் வந்து இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ணேன்னா, அந்த மாதிரியான ஸ்கில்ஸ் இருக்கிற நடத்துகிற ஒர்க் ஷாப்பு, FDPஸ்லாம் நான் பர்சனலாக அட்டன் பண்ணி லேர்ன் பண்ணி நான் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ண ஆரம்பித்தேன். ஸோ நான் இப்போ நீங்கள் SPSS எடுக்க சொன்னால் என்னால் எடுக்க முடியும். SPSSல வந்து கம்ப்ளீட் அனாலிசிஸ் பண்ணணும்னா பண்ணி கொடுக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? அதை பற்றின செஷன் ஃபுல்லாக எடுக்கணும்னாலும் எல்லாம் எடுக்க முடியும். ஓகே. அண்ட் தென் ஆஃப்டர் தட் இந்த டீச்சிங்கில் பொறுத்த மட்டும் வந்து வி கேன் ஹாவ் ஒன்லி த ஜஸ்ட் லெக்சர் ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் தான் இருக்கும், வேறு எதுவும் பண்ண முடியாத போது நான் என்ன பண்ணேன்னா, ஐ ஜாயின்ட் JCA இந்தியா திருவண்ணாமலை தீபம்னு ஒரு சாப்டர் இருக்குது திருவண்ணாமலையில். ஓகே, ஐ எம் பார்ட் ஆஃப் இட். ஸோ அதில் என்ன பண்ணுறேன்னா, தே ஆர் கிவிங் அ பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் டு பிகம் அ ட்ரெயினர். ஸோ எனக்கு என்ன இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட்னா, நம்ம வந்து சும்மா போய் ஒரு பாடத்தில் இருக்கிறது நம்ம சொன்னோம்னா பசங்களுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி அவன் புரியலனாலும் படிச்சுட்டு எழுத போகிறான், ரைட்? யாருமே வந்து புரிஞ்சு படிக்கிறது இல்லை. நாளைக்கு எக்ஸாமா, இன்னைக்கு நைட் உட்காந்து ஓவர் நைட்ல முடிச்சுட்டு தான். பட் அதை தவிர்த்து வந்து we need to motivate the students to come out with what are the things which they are not know. இப்போ நான் படிக்கும் போது வந்து யாருமே சப்போர்ட் கிடையாது, யாருமே வந்து ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறது இந்த 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 மாதிரி படிப்பு படிங்க, இந்த கோர்ஸ் படிங்க, இந்த காலேஜ் போங்க, இந்த மாதிரி அப்படிலாம் யாரும் சொல்றது கிடையாது. பட் அதை வந்து நான் என்ன பண்ணேன்னா மற்றவங்களுக்கு சொல்லணுன்றதுக்காக ஐ ஜாயின்ட் இன் த ஜேசிஐ அண்ட் ஐ சர்டிஃபைட் அஸ் அ ட்ரெயினர். ஜோன் ட்ரெயினர்னு வந்து ஒரு 2 to 3 levels அதை வந்து கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணணும். அதை கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணி ஐ பிகம் அ ட்ரெயினர். தென் த்ரூ த ட்ரைனிங் ஐ ஸ்டார்டட் கிவிங் திஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் அ மோட்டிவேஷன், பர்சனல் டெவலப்மெண்ட். ஐ ஸ்டார்டட் லேர்னிங் வாட் இட் இஸ். ஸோ நான் லேர்ன் பண்ணி ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ண அதை என்னுடைய ஜாப்ல அப்ளை பண்ண ஐ எம் கம்ஃபர்டபுள். இப்போ நீங்கள் எந்த டாப்பிக்ல எனக்கு எடுக்க சொன்னாலும் ஐ கேன் ஏபிள் டு ரிலேட் இட். ஓகேவா? எந்த ஒர்க் பண்ண சொன்னாலும் ஐ கேன் ஏபிள் டு, பிகாஸ் ஐ லேர்ன் ஃப்ரம் மை எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ். த்ரூ த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஐ லேர்ன், ஐ ஸ்டார்டட் அப்ளைங். வெறும் லேர்ன் பண்ணுறது மட்டும் இல்லை, அதை லேர்ன் பண்ணி ப்ராக்டிஸ்க்கு கொண்டு வரணும். இப்போ வந்து ஒரு ஹெச்ஆர் டீச்சர் வந்து ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் ஆஃப் பிளானிங் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்னா பிளானிங் ஆர்கனைசிங் சொல்லிடுறாரு. ஓகே, பிளானிங் ஆர்கனைசிங் எப்படி இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் கொண்டு வரீங்க? ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் குரூப் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கொடுங்க, ஒரு ஆக்டிவிட்டி கொடுங்க, பிளான் எப்படி பண்ணணும்னு போடுங்க, அதை எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. தே வில் லேர்ன். தட் இஸ் ஹவ் வி ஹவ் டு லேர்ன் இன் அவர் லைஃப். வாட் எவர் வி லேர்ன், ஸ்டார்ட் எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிங். அதை நம்ம சரியான நேரத்தில் சரியான ஒர்க்குக்கு நம்ம எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணோம்னா கண்டிப்பாக வி கேன் ரீச். தட் இஸ் வாட் வி ஹவ் டு டூ.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So I hope we come to the end of the session. So thank you all for all the students for your patient listening. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I'm Vanadi.
Yes.
Second year MBA. I have a question, sir.
Yes.
In your opinion, which would be the most wise choice between choosing a career as an entrepreneur or as an employee?
As an employee, as an entrepreneur. Okay. So முதல்ல உங்களுக்கு என்ன இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்கு?
Entrepreneur, sir.
Entrepreneur. Okay. Entrepreneur ஆகணும்னா என்ன மாதிரியான entrepreneur ஆகணும்னு எதிர்பார்க்குறீங்க?
The one who satisfies the need of the customer.
No, that is okay. That is fine. Entrepreneur ஆகணும்னா இப்போ நீங்க நிறைய இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? பிஸ்னஸ் மேன்ல நிறைய இருக்கு. நீங்க எந்த மாதிரியான entrepreneur ஆகணும்னு எதிர்பார்க்குறீங்க? அதாவது ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட்டை வந்து புதுசா கஸ்டமர்ஸ் கொடுக்கணுமா?
Converting a thing into another thing.
தட் மீன்ஸ் ஆல்ரெடி எக்ஸிஸ்டிங் இருக்கிற ப்ராடக்ட்டுக்கு நீங்கள் புதுசாக கொண்டு வரணும். ஓகே, இப்போ நீங்கள் என்ன ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணனா கூகுளில் போயிட்டு சர்ச் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகேவா? இது வரைக்கும் லான்ச் பண்ண ப்ராடக்டில் என்னென்ன ஃபீச்சர்ஸ்லாம் இருக்குது, இல்லை வந்து அதனுடைய ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் அதனுடைய கேரக்டர்ஸோட ப்ராடக்டோட கேரக்டர்ஸ் நம்ம மாற்ற முடியுமா, மாற்றத்துக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கா? இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் பிளாஸ்டிக் யூசேஜ் இல்லை, அவாய்ட் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. இப்போ அவாய்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஆல்டர்னேட்டிவ் சொல்யூஷன் நம்மளுக்கு வேணும். இப்போ இன்னைக்கு நேற்று ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண மாதிரி மஞ்சப்பை அந்த இது மாதிரி நம்ம வேற ஏதாவது ஆல்டர்னேட்டிவ் இருக்கானா கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். நீங்கள் சர்ச் பண்ணணும். ரிசர்ச், யூ நீட் டு டூ சம் ரிசர்ச் இன் தட். அண்ட் தென் அதுக்கு சப்போர்ட்டிங் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் வேற எந்த கம்பெனிஸ்லாம் அது மாதிரி பண்றாங்க, வேற இதுக்கு முன்னாடி யாரெல்லாம் அதை வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி ரன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க, இல்லை வேற எந்தெந்த இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் இருக்கு, எந்தெந்த கவர்மெண்ட் சப்போர்ட் இருக்கு, நீங்க ரிசர்ச் பண்ணி அதை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். கண்டுபிடிச்சு அவங்க கிட்ட அப்ரோச் பண்ணணும். கோ அண்ட் டாக் டு தெம், டெல் யுவர் ஐடியா. சார், இதுக்கு பதிலாக இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், இதே ப்ராடக்டை இந்த வெரைட்டி இந்த விதமாகவும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், ஸோ தட் இதனால வந்து இந்த பெனிஃபிட் கிடைக்குன்றத வந்து ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகேவா? அவங்க டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி அப்ரூவல் வாங்க. தென் யூ கேன் கோ ஹெட்.
Thank you, sir.
எஸ். Yes, any other questions?
Okay, Professor.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Professor, for the wonderful
Thank you
session.
so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, well, more information we are sharing to our students.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. On behalf of the BA department. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, the management, register, chairman, principal, and HOD sir, and Satya ma'am, and other faculties also for providing this opportunity and making this session wonderful and given some insight to the students. Thank you all. We'll meet you in future. Thank you, sir.